Good morning or afternoon. Thank you for joining me today for our math review lesson. So we're going to review greater than, less than, and equal to. And if you need to, go ahead and pause the video if I ask a question and you need a little bit more thinking time. That is perfectly okay. And all you're going to need to do is just watch my video, answer my questions. Make sure you might have somebody next to you that can listen to your answers too, so they can make sure that you're on track. So if you need to go grab somebody, a grown-up, grandma and grandpa, or even a babysitter if you're watching it from there, go grab them and say, Mrs. Warner wants you to listen to me, and pause my video, okay? All right, let's review. What does greater than mean? Good. It means more or bigger. We've used both terms in the classroom. What does less than mean? Good. Smaller or the least. And when we say something like that, I could say, which one is the least? And I've shown you two pictures or even two numbers, and we've talked about that before. And then what does equal to mean? Good, the same. And remember, we've made our equal signs with our arms too. Equal to, equal to. All right, good job. So let's get started. I'm gonna hold up two picture cards and I'm gonna give you a second to count the pictures, and then I have some questions for you. Let's start with this one and this card. If I can pick it up. Okay, so here are my cards. Take a good look, count the pictures. I'll give you a second. Okay, are you ready to listen to my question? Which picture has the least amount of picture card? Or which picture card has the least amount of pictures? Good. Our 3 planes, the number 3 has the least, because least or less means smaller. Good job. Okay, now I'm going to put the plane card down. And now, let's do this one, okay? So if you already know what the cards are, count the fish. Okay, can you tell me which one is greater? The fish or the cars? Which one's greater? Good, the cars. Okay. What does greater mean again? You're right. Greater means bigger. Good job. Okay, I'm going to put both cards down now. We're going to do a couple more pictures because you guys are so good at counting. So they're a little bit harder of pictures, but take a look, count them up. I'll give you a second. Okay, so we have hats and we have cats. Hats and cats. Are those rhyming words? They are. I know we're doing math, but it's okay. We can still rhyme while we're doing math too. Okay, now they're very similar in numbers, so listen to my words, okay? Which one is greater? Good. The hats are greater because greater means more. So if the hats are greater, then does that mean the cats are equal to or less than the hats? Good. It means they're less than the hats. Very good. Okay, I'm going to put down the hats. And I am going to pick up, let's do this one, the pennies. So take a second to count again. I'll give you a moment. Okay, are you ready? Now, which picture, pennies or cats, has the least amount? Good, the cats. Least is less, okay, so smaller. And so if the cats have least, are the pennies equal to or are they greater than the cats? Good. They are greater. Perfect. I'm going to put down these two cards. Now, here are my fish and my number. What number do you see? Good. How many fish do you see? Okay. So, are my fish and my number greater than? Is one greater than the other one? One less than the other one? Or are they equal to each other? Good, they are equal to each other. Because even though this is the number 4, if we drew 4 counters, they would be the same as having 4 fish on our card. So they are equal to each other. Very good. All right, one more time. What does greater than mean? Good, it means bigger. What does less than mean? Good, smaller or the least amount. And then, what does equal to mean? Good, it means the same. Thank you everyone for joining me for our mini math lesson. I can't wait to see you this week. Have a wonderful rainy Monday. Stay tucked in and cozy. I'll see you guys tomorrow or on Wednesday. Bye.